Hello everyone, today I am presenting you 7 Wonders of the World for 2021. Arcus National Park, which is located in Utah. This otherworldly expanse of red rock and stone spires is like nowhere else. With more than 2,000 stained stone arches, the largest concentration in the world, the place is like another planet, an enormous natural sculpture garden covered by eons of wind and rains, and 2021 is a good time to visit. Mount Fuji, which is located in Japan, with the 2020 Olympics postponed due to the coronavirus, all eyes will be on Japan when the Games return in the summer of 2021. The country is home to many wonders, but Mount Fuji is the top of the list. Large Hadron Collider, which is located in Switzerland. There has been a lot of talk recently about the Large Hadron Collider (LHC), the planet's foremost atom smasher, making contact with the parallel universe. Amazon rainforest, which is located in Brazil. For the Brazilian, Amazon 2020 was the worst year in more than a decade. Under president direction, the deforestation of the largest tropical rainforest on the globe is being accelerated year on the year. But the Amazon needs to survive. It's said to be home to around 400 billion trees, essential for helping to combat global warming. Calinis Stones, which is located in Scotland. It will be a good time to travel locally and remote in 2021. The Calinis Stones is the Neolithic ring of 13 standing stones built roughly 5,000 years ago. Is thought to predict it and it's filled with just as much mystery. The Nazca Lines, which is located in Peru, these enormous geoliths, which were etched into the earth by hand around 2000 years ago, are some of the globe's most enigmatic wonders. Located in the southernmost Peru, the drawing depicts a complex array of animals, humanoid, and geometric shapes. Great Wild Beast Migration, which is located in Tanzania and Kenya. The annual relocation of about 1.5 million wild beasts in Tanzania and parts of Masai Mara in Kenya is an incredible spectacle. The 1,000-mile circular journey is the largest migration of land animal on the planet.